G'day. I had an inquiry this morning with someone that was having trouble with leaking coming through the floor wall joint, possibly some leaks in the walls, but mainly the effervescence would be from water soaking up from the leak through the basement. So it's not a problem when it's dry, so that makes this application so much more easily done. First step, of course, is the removal of effervescence, and you use a product called Effervescence Red, which works very well. Now, there's two options with the corners. I used to always open up the floor wall join and form a coving with Max Rest, or when it's all dry, you can use Max Right. Max Rest is more when you have a water-based one where leaking is there, while then you need the Max Rest because it'll seal off quicker, and whereas the Max Right would wash away. Now, once you've got your floor wall join opened up with a Kanga, then you put your Max Rest or Max Right in either with a coving tool or a small round bottle or the like, and then apply 2 coats of MaxiFlex or MaxiFlex M to the walls and floor. Now, if you choose not to do a coving, you will need the Max Mesh, which you can put on at the corner and embedded into the MaxiFlex along the corner and out onto the floor. Now, in this case, they're going to paint over the finished product, so you can just use the MaxiFlex and paint over with a trafficable paint once it's cured, and follow all the instructions of the paint because you're painting over a concrete surface, fresh concrete surface. However, if in another case it was in a parking garage or the like, you might want to use the Maxil Traffic because that's completely trafficable, whether it's foot pedestrian or whether it's vehicular traffic. So whichever way it goes, it's got you covered. So that's about it for today's video. Please like the video if you like what you see, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye now.